That is completely undrawn frame. It looks like they've done a tiny bit of work, but not much. Their drone frame, which there's eggs down in it, and right there's a queen. Did you give me the marker back? Where did she go?
Right there.
Oh.
Sorry, y'all. Queen Trump's video.
I need to get a hold of her, but I can't do real well with these gloves right now.
Can we get her?
Not the best marking job, but she's marked now. So there's, I was going to set this outside just so it's out of the way, but with the queen on it, which is good that we found the queen before doing the mite wash. As long as you don't jump over this frame while I'm getting it out. That right there is a good candidate to do the mite wash on, because there's all kinds of young larvae.
Alright, I'm going to pause y'all and open the
Both sides. Well, I was hoping to get rid of a bunch of the foam.
Can we knock them in?
You want to try to scrape some in? Let's flip it around.
Up here in the corners.
Those are probably not.
Nurse bees.
Yeah. We'll get some of them though. So the ones that are flying away immediately are not nurse bees.
It's not screwed.
Yeah. You got purplish all over my
Scares
glove.
the crap out of me doing that over the...
They already look a whole lot better than the last hive.
Yeah.
The last hive was the one that had an issue back in the spring, and they've gotten worse.
Yeah.
So far, nothing in this one.
Well, I hate to say it, but I hope that hive